Welcome to our video exploring the fascinating English idiom, fly in the ointment. This phrase has an interesting history and practical uses in everyday conversation. The idiom, fly in the ointment, means a small but significant flaw or problem that spoils something valuable or enjoyable. It's often used to point out an unexpected issue. Let's dive into its origin. This phrase traces back to the Bible, specifically the book of Ecclesiastes, where dead flies cause a perfumer's ointment to stink. Over time, the idiom evolved in English language usage to describe any minor detail that can ruin an otherwise positive situation. It's a vivid metaphor that paints a clear picture. Imagine having a perfectly prepared dish and suddenly discovering a tiny fly in it. That tiny insect can ruin your entire dining experience. Now, let's look at some practical examples to help you grasp how to use this idiom. Here are 5 simple sentences demonstrating fly in the ointment. Example 1. The new project was going well, but the budget cuts became the fly in the ointment, delaying its completion. Example 2. Their vacation was perfect until the flight delays. It was the fly in the ointment of their entire trip. Example 3. He received a great job offer, but the long commute was the fly in the ointment, making him reconsider. Example 4. Her performance was flawless, but a minor wardrobe malfunction became the fly in the ointment during the show. Example 5. The party was a success, but the unexpected rain was the fly in the ointment, dampening everyone's mood. Understanding and using idioms like fly in the ointment can add color and expressiveness to your language. It helps convey specific feelings more vividly. So next time you notice a small issue affecting something good, you know how to describe it perfectly. Keep practicing idioms to enrich your English skills. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the idiom fly in the ointment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more language insights.